Hello, I'm Sticks. We will learn about noughts and crosses. Noughts and crosses is a paper and pencil game for two players, X and O, who take turns marking the spaces in a 3x3 grid. It is also known as a tic-tac-toe. I also liked that game in the playground. This lets you turn this way, or that way. First position is the blank. When you turn clockwise, it's a cross. Or, if you turn it counterclockwise, it's a knot. You could ever imagine, I and my girlfriend Amy Rose played tic-tac-toe on slides. I also liked to go for merry-go-round, seesaw, and swings. When we start the game, first round, the winner of X and O can be placed anywhere, but the winner must be in 3 ways. Here, X marks the spot. This is same as noughts, or O, but, if in case of tie, neither the first player wins, nor second player wins. Tic-tac-toe can also be played on a computer or mobile devices too. Once the game is over, either noughts, or crosses win in straight or diagonal direction. Or else, it's a draw, or a tie. This topic you know how to play noughts and crosses. Like, comment, and subscribe now.